Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tell you what guys, we're going to do some beef jerky this week and can't wait to get it going. I'm actually going to do it tomorrow. We're prepping this tonight. We're going to get the meat cut up, trimmed up, and get it marinated and let it go overnight. We'll pick this up in the morning. I'd love to tell you I'm going to set up outside on my little old smokehouse dehydrator and put some smoke on it, but I'll be honest, the weather map's probably not going to let me do that. So we'll just do it most likely in the Emeril 360 on a dehydrate setting, but it should be very good. Marinade, you know, I seldom make my own marinades or rubs, marinades, whatever, and I generally go store-bought, and this is one I've not tried before. It's the STUBB'S beef marinade. It's soy, garlic, and red pepper. Sounds good. Should be interesting. So let's get this thing cut up down here. Hey guys, this is about 2 pounds. That's an eye of the round cut of beef. It's pretty good looking. I do got some fat I'm going to trim off over here and get as much of that off as I can. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I could have probably went another hour, but I've had this in the freezer to try to toughen up a little bit for about an hour, hour and a half. Wish I'd had another hour, but we're just going to get as much of that fat off as I can. The meat being a little tougher just makes it easier to cut and trim to get as thin cuts that I want. We'll see how we can do. Doesn't have to be perfect, but that fat will make the meat or the jerky a little rancid. So you're gonna get as much of that off as you can. Okay, I'm gonna square this up as much as I can, and got my Nakano knife here, and I'm gonna go try to get close to about a 1/4 inch thick. And we'll just start trimming away. That looks pretty good right there. That's what we're after, all the way down. Do wish I had gone another hour. I think we'll be alright. Gets a little tricky down here on the end, but we gonna get it. Got these smaller pieces, I'm not gonna worry about it, but get some of these larger pieces. I'll probably just leave that one alone. Some of these larger pieces, I'm gonna come in here and just cut them in half. Just take a couple of them. Some good jerky pieces there. Let's get these in a bag and get some marinade on them. Yeah, this is just a 1 gallon freezer bag. Get it all in there. Again, that's that STUBB'S. It's the beef marinade. It's got soy, garlic, and red pepper. Give this a shot. It smells good. You guys gotta try this. Get it on in here. I'm just gonna dump the whole thing in. Because I'm gonna get some of the air out. Let's give her a good mix. Try to make sure every piece is coated. Alright guys, this is going in the fridge overnight and we'll continue sometime tomorrow. Alright, these guys took a bath all night long in this beautiful marinade. I'm just going to get her out here, and the goal is just to kind of get all the moisture off we can get before going into the dehydrator and our, in that case, the Emeril 360 dehydrator. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna take a towel and pat these as dry as possible. This will wobbly tray. Hey guys, I got 3 of these little crisper trays, and I'm just gonna put as many in as I can. I'll probably use all 3 trays. I want these as close, but I don't mind them touching so much. I don't want them to overlap. I'm gonna load them in here as many as we can get. Might get by with just 2 trays. That'd be okay too. This is about 2.5 pounds of meat. All right, load this into the air fryer and load up the next tray. Look at there, just like it was made for it. It actually was. Get this on in the air fryer. I'll tell you what, this old girl, she's been still a beast. I've had it a few years and we use it almost every day, but she sure ain't as pretty as she was when I first got it. I've got this thing preset on dehydrate mode. I've got it set for 165 degrees, which is perfect for making jerky. And we're gonna go 4 hours to start with and see where we are then. It might be enough. Some of the thicker pieces, maybe not, but let's get her going. Alright guys, I'm gonna come in here for just a second here and I'm gonna pause this. Don't really want to do anything special other than I want to rotate these baskets. I don't even know that it's needed, but I'm just going to move from top to bottom, bottom to top. Coming along pretty good though. Got a ways to go. But yeah, we might be done here in another couple hours. That's all we're going to do. See you in 2 hours. Alright, let's see what we got here. 4 hours. I'm curious how hot that is. 165. Can't be too bad, right? Get a piece out of here and take a look. Kind of stuck a little bit. Oh yeah. See how that's white and splintery? That jerky is done. Let me get this out of here, get it put on a platter, and we'll come back and give this thing a taste, okay? Looks like a nice little helping of beef jerky. I can't wait to get a bite of that. Finish this thing up. Smells delicious. That's terrible, that's good. I'm glad we didn't go another hour. Tell you what, I think it's about perfect. That's really good. This is just that Stubb's beef marinade. Almost perfect beef jerky right there. Try this sometime, guys. I'll tell you what, you won't be disappointed. It's a Stubb's beef marinade. It's got soy, garlic, and red pepper. That's what they're advertising there. I can definitely taste the pepper in there. Delicious beef jerky. I haven't made any at all this year. You can make your homemade marinades. The only thing is, this is not going to last that long. You know, we didn't cure this. We just marinated it and dehydrated it. So you got a shorter lifespan, but be honest with yourself. How long do you make jerky last in your home? Think about it. Don't need to go out and put a whole lot of effort in it. There's nothing wrong with it if you want to do that. I typically do not. I buy my marinades and I can play with the flavors, get different marinades and try a different thing each time. It is delicious. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you as always. Hit that like button for us if you don't mind. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, thank you as always, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.